Have you ever wondered how your body filters waste and excess substances? Today, we unlock the mysteries of the urinary system. Our bodies are like well-oiled machines, and the urinary system plays a crucial role in keeping them running smoothly. This complex system is our personal waste management facility, responsible for filtering out waste and excess substances from our bloodstream. But its job doesn't stop there. The urinary system also maintains the delicate balance of salts, electrolytes, and water in our bodies, a process known as homeostasis. The main components of this system are the kidneys, the silent heroes, working non-stop to filter our blood. The ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra then work in harmony to store and eventually eliminate the waste in the form of urine. All these components together form an intricate network that keeps us healthy and functioning. So buckle up as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of the urinary system. The urinary system, a cleaning service for your body, but how does it work? This intricate system is our body's own waste management unit, responsible for several vital tasks. Among its primary functions, the urinary system regulates the volume and pressure of our blood. It's like a delicate thermostat, maintaining a balance that allows our bodies to function optimally. Next up, it controls the concentration of various ions in our plasma. For us to remain healthy, essential ions like potassium and sodium must be kept in check. Our urinary system does just that, preventing any harmful imbalances. Then there's the role of stabilizing the blood pH. Our bodies operate best at a particular pH level. The urinary system helps keep this level steady, ensuring our metabolic processes run smoothly. Lastly, it eliminates organic waste products. It's the unsung hero that takes out the trash, getting rid of substances our body no longer needs. Now, let's zoom in on the most significant organs in the urinary system, the kidneys. The kidneys, your body's own filtration plant, but what makes them so special? Now, let's dive into the intricacies of these fascinating organs. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped structures located just below the rib cage on each side of the spine. They are meticulously designed to remove waste and excess fluid from the blood, producing urine in the process. Think of the kidneys as an incredibly efficient recycling center. They filter out the waste and toxins while returning vital nutrients and chemicals back into the bloodstream. This constant filtration process helps to maintain the body's electrolyte balance, regulating levels of sodium, potassium, and calcium. But the kidneys do more than just filter. They are also the body's natural thermostat, regulating blood pressure and stimulating the production of red blood cells when oxygen levels are low. The kidneys do a remarkable job, don't they? But what happens after the filtration process? Let's find out. From formation to elimination, urine's journey is quite fascinating. Let's start in the kidneys where urine formation begins. This process comprises 3 stages: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. During glomerular filtration, blood is filtered in the kidneys' tiny units, the glomeruli. Here, waste products, water, glucose, and other substances are sifted out of the blood, creating what we call filtrate. Next comes tubular reabsorption. This is where the kidneys reclaim what the body still needs. Glucose, water, and essential ions are reabsorbed into the blood, leaving behind the waste products. The kidneys, in their infinite wisdom, ensure that the good stuff goes back into the bloodstream, while the rest continues on the path to becoming urine. The final stage is tubular secretion. Here, the body gets a second chance to remove substances missed during filtration. Hydrogen ions, potassium, and certain drugs are secreted into the tubules from the blood, finalizing the composition of the urine. Now, we have formed urine, but the journey is far from over. The urine, carrying unwanted substances, travels down two slender tubes called the ureters, making its way to the bladder. The bladder, a muscular sac, serves as a temporary storage unit for the urine. It can hold up to half a liter of urine for 2 to 5 hours, depending on how much liquid you've consumed. When the bladder is about half full, it sends a signal to the brain, indicating it's time to find a restroom. And when the moment is right, the urine is expelled from the body through a tube called the urethra. Then, this is the final act in the journey of urine, from formation to elimination. Quite a journey, isn't it? But like everything else, the urinary system also undergoes changes over time. As we age, so do our organs. But how does aging affect the urinary system? Let's dive into that. Over the years, our kidneys, the powerhouses of the urinary system, tend to lose some of their efficiency. They may not filter waste from our blood as effectively, leading to a slight buildup of waste products. This is a natural part of aging, but it does mean we need to be mindful of our kidney health as we grow older. Aging can also affect our bladder's capacity to store urine. This can lead to urinary incontinence, a condition where one loses control over their bladder. It's not uncommon, and there are ways to manage it, so don't fret if it happens. Lastly, our body's defenses weaken with age, leading to a higher risk of urinary tract infections. These can be uncomfortable, but can be treated with a course of medication. Age may bring changes, but understanding these changes helps us better manage our health. From filter to faucet, the urinary system plays a great role in our health. We've journeyed through its general characteristics, discovered the important role of kidneys, and unveiled the intricate process of urine formation, storage, and elimination. We've also explored how, like all parts of our bodies, the urinary system experiences changes as we age. It's a complex, fascinating system, important to our well-being. Remember, every drop counts when it comes to the urinary system. Continued blessings.